Alright folks, so today we're gonna be catching some octopus, and right now it's kind of breezy out there. It's dangerous, so take precautions. Alright, right now I'm in a spot where it's perfect to catch some octopi. We're gonna go out there in the rocks, near the rocks. They should be hiding out there, those motherfuckers. Alright, this is how we gonna do it. Just watch and learn. Whoa. Fuck. Look at this, folks. An octopi. Alright, we're gonna grill this bad boy and we gonna make some dinner. Alright? That's how you do it. So now that we have captured our octopus, now we are going to clean it properly. And this is how. Now, this is a baby octopus, so don't be shy, you know. If you got a large octopus, then there's nothing to be afraid of, you know. Now we're gonna throw some water. Alright. It is very slimy, folks. Slimy, I tell you. Like next level slime shit. So to get rid of the slime easily, we're gonna use some salt. Easily some salt, kosher, you know, very easy to use, you know. And now we're gonna drain the octopi. And we're gonna put some salt. Alright, just about 1/4 of a cup, and then we gonna massage it as if it was a strained muscle, as you could say. And we're gonna massage it now. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Alright. Now you're gonna go do a second bath of salt. Now again, we're just trying to get rid of the nasty slimy shit. Alright, so we're gonna do like a massage here. Look at that, folks. This is freshly caught. Alright, so if you have a frozen one you bought from the store, or something that's already caught like a few days ago, that's easier. That's way easier. And we're gonna do this sort of motion. And we're gonna put some more salt. You want to go each tentacles. Now there's 8 of them. You see? Look at this. Now tentacles have succulents which tend to pick up some dirt. You see that? You want to remove all that dirt. See that? It came off. You know? Alright, so now that your octopus is cleaned, not slimy anymore, we are going to take its head here and we will flip it inside out. That's how to get the random shit out the way. You see that? It has ink, it has the brain, whatnot, the eyes, and then we just take it and we're gonna pull it out. Oh, I bursted the ink sac. That's something you not want to do, folks. Burst the ink sac. Because then it'll turn black and whatnot and really bitter taste. So we just about done with the head here. Yeah! Alright, flip it over. You see these eyes? These cute little eyes? We're gonna cut them off. We're gonna take a sharp little knife here. And we're gonna cut these eyes. Right there. And right there. Alright. Throw it. Now, you see this beak? We gonna take off this beak. All you have to do is press on the opposite side and it should come out. Look at that. What does that remind you of, folks? What does that remind you of? Leave down in the comments below and we're gonna find out. So all you have to do is just kind of like pinch it off. It has almost the same consistency as a fingernail, so don't be too afraid that it's sharp and it will cut you. Alright, so now we're gonna heat up some water and we're gonna bring it to a slow boil. A slow, very, very slow boil. We're gonna take our octopus and then we're gonna dip it 3 times. Alright, 3 times, 3 seconds each. Alright, so we're gonna take it by the head. So count with me. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. You see how that starts to curl up? 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. You see that? 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. Now we are tempering this the octopus to make it more tender, just like that. One more time. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. All right, and then we gonna dip it. We gonna dip it. Get. Whatever. We gonna boil this about an hour, folks. 1 straight hour, 60 minutes. That's right. It will come out tender like that dating app. One thing I did forget to mention is once you're boiling this, you want to put some cork into it. Let's say 2 corks. Yeah. 2 corks, just like that. And it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna become tender. And after that, we're gonna grill it, folks. Alright, see you in the grill. boiled the octopus, and we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna throw it in the grill to get that charred flavor. It's quite a bit windy out here. Granted, it is what the hell? It's a Tuesday, and we got some mixture of Italian and American charcoal. Yeah, we are basically charring it. It's good to go to eat. Alright, but now we're charring it to give it more flavor, more consistency, and more edible. Look at that. Freshly caught from this morning. It is now fully cooked, and we are about to taste it for the first time.